Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to fix Instagram notifications if they aren't working. So, the first thing you can try is to uninstall and reinstall the app. Next, check if your internet connection is stable. Now, if neither of those solutions work for you, go to Settings and check that notifications for Instagram are turned on. Now you can turn on sound and badges as well. And the last thing you can try is to go to battery and make sure low power mode is turned off. Now your notifications should work. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave us a like, comment if you have any more questions, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Bye!